Marj, I seem to be making myself stiff. I've been watching you and trying to move delicately, and I'm just having trouble. So I feel like I've improved my lot somewhat, but I feel like I'm stiff.
All right. Let's start here. When my hands come here, are you following me?
I'm trying to.
No, but you are doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Can't you feel it?
Yes, I can.
Well, that's you doing.
Well, I didn't get that response.
I think
before.
you're just figuring what this little movement can do that you just kind of forget to do. Just this little thing here. And as that moves, then we're getting a bit of a movement here, which is a little bit different than you've had. See, you're a little bit dropped right in here. Can you feel this? What does that feel like?
It feels uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable, that's right. So now you move your head a little bit, and this will all begin to move as you go forward. Does that give you something a little different? All right. Now, if you want to, when you want to come back to the chair, you start moving a little bit up this way. And it probably feels like I'm not letting you do what you wanted. Now come on back, and you're moving from your hips, and all that time, this part of your body is moving up as you use your hip joint. Get that?
It still feels like I'm squeezing my back. You know, I feel the pressure in the middle of my back.
That's right. Because as this moves up, now go forward from your hips. See, this is going to take you, you're coming up this way. Can you people see that?
So I'm not moving enough that way. I'm moving too much this way.
You're drop down a bit. That's what you're doing. And you want to get out of that. And to get out of that, first of all, right through here, this part starts to move, and it moves up. Just move with my hands. Now, move with them again. See, all of this moves up. Do you notice when we go a little bit forward?
We've got, yes, we're moving forward.
There you are. Now, doesn't that feel different? Okay. Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Could you smile? Maybe it's too early in the morning.
Well, that's quite possible.
All right. Now, as I move you again or help you move, my hands are going to come down a bit lower, and you move up this way before you start to go back. And you keep moving up in here. Come on, just... What does that do? I'm sure it feels different.
It feels different.
It looks different, doesn't it?
I can feel that the place that is stiff is not far, far away.
That's right.
I'm not stiff now, but it's not far away.
It's this little area right here.
Thank you, Marj.